Welcome back everybody. This is Shahzaib Kamal from Podina Tutorials.com and we're learning the Angular 4. Welcome back everybody. So guys, here in this video we'll be talking about some built-in directives. So for this thing we just need to go to the IntelliJ, the IDE, where we're just going to code these things. So how to use them? It is really simple. I'm just gonna use the very first built-in directive, the NgIf. How we can use it? We just simply need to type things just like the HTML way. We just put it a div here, and here I'm just putting something like it working, something like that, and just save it. Now go to the browser and you can see that the text, it's working. We are actually inside the header area. You can see that this is a header and this is a footer. So if you just go there back, and I'm just gonna do one thing. I just want to leave the header, sorry, delete that. I just want to go to the content.html, and there inside this div I'm just making something like p, and here I'm just typing it's working. Okay, save it. Now go to the browser back and refresh the page. So now without refreshing, you just can see that the text, it's working. That means it's actually working, and when I just click, I'm just getting the hello world because we just applied the click event. So the other thing I just want to do for now is I'm just using a kind of ngIf space NgIf. This just works like the if and else. This is really simple and pretty easy, but before that we just need to use the asterisk sign and then equal sign after that, and now there's some kind of value, but there we're just gonna put the condition, not only the value. Just suppose if I just type 2 equal to 2, then this will be shown to the browser. You can see that it's working. Okay, but if I just type 2 is equal to 3 and save it, now you won't see this anymore. You can see that there is it's not there. Means I'm just telling to, or all the conditional operators are really simple. 2 is smaller than 3. Yeah, it's true. I just want to make sure that the condition, that the result of this the ngIf should be true to get this thing to be shown. Now go to the browser. You can see that it's working. That's awesome. Or if I just type that, I'm just telling that 2 is actually greater than 3, means it's not true because 2 is smaller than 3. So now we're not getting the value. We directly can put the true or false. If I just type false, it won't be there. You can see that it's not there. But if I just type simply true there, true, you can see that it's working. That's awesome. So this is the thing we just discussed about. Now if I just type trues or something, well, I won't get that, but in true, simple true, it's just visible, and in false it's not. But also if I just type false, so the meaning of false is the result of the ngIf is false for now. Directly we're just hard coding it to false, and we're not programming it, but I'm just gonna teach you how we can even program this. This is the basic talks about the ngIf. So go there and you can see that you're not getting anything. But if I just use the not sign, if you just remember this sign, we just simply can add the exclamatory sign before the value, so it means not false. I'm just telling the value after the exclamatory sign should be opposite of it. So I'm just telling it's not false, and go to the browser and you can see that it's working because it's not false, and the meaning of not false is it's true. And if I just type here true, so it won't be, sorry, not the true or something, the true, now the content para. But if I just remove this sign, now I'll be getting this here. That means it's actually working with condition. So this is simply if and else. Now let's just make it a little more beautiful, more interesting. I'm just going to go to the component.ts, and there what I just want to do, you can see that there are a lot of not a lot, just 3 basically if once, but I just want to do some more things here. I just want to make a variable here, working equal to, here I'm just typing true for now. Okay, so there is a variable I've created named working, and remember that we are inside the class of content component which we are exporting, and here we are absolutely exporting, and these both have a link between them because of here we just mentioned that the template URL of this TS file is the content component.html. So absolutely anything we just make here is going there. So Really simple. Now if I just directly use that variable, you just know the basic thing about it, about the true false, about the 2 5 or something means the conditions, how we can apply the conditions. But now let's just put it in with some more specifications. NgIf, and here I'm just putting working, the variable, this is the variable, the TS variable, the working equal to true. There I've made a variable which is actually true for now, and here I'm just using that variable if that variable is true. Now I'm just showing you how the logic works. Here in ATS we just made a variable, we just made it true, and now you just need to go to the browser and you can see that it's still working. That means we just got the result. Okay, we just can make some solutions here, we just can make anything there, and at the end we just can find the result. Like we just can run the if and else something, or we can just sort this out by formulating like these ways or something like that. But we just need to get the result as true to get the value there, or the false to not get the value. This is a very basic logic about the if else, but sorry, NgIf. Now let's just proceed to the next step. Let's just talk about else. So here add the semicolon first and then else, simply type else. Now that one is the if condition. You just simply know, I just cleared actually how the if works. So here the else, I'm just going there, and here any else, I'm just making something like else block, or you can say anything like that. You just renaming the else block. Okay, and then here the ng template. Okay, inside that the value, we just put it here, the else block, any hash else block, in the same way. Okay, whatever we have there, this is actually just like the ID. We're just mentioning the ID for the else block, and there this is the else area. I'm just putting something like not working, sorry, anything like that. Just go to the browser and just check this out. It's still working. If I just refresh that, yeah, it's working. Go there, and I just want to update the things. I'm just going to the I'm just actually what I'm just doing, I'm just going to the TS and just making it false. So when I just make it false, instead of not showing anything, it'll become the not working. It is still working. So why it's still working? When I just made this false, so go there, back, and I just want to check that out, the problem, false, and something is mysterious we're doing. I just need to check the variable. I'm just going to the component.ts, and yeah, I got it. When you just put the true and false, the boolean thing, maybe you just know about the boolean. So when you just put the boolean things in the double or single quote, so they will automatically become a string, and a string doesn't know true and false. It just knows that true. When working has some value, whatever true or false, but it's a string, so ultimately the working is true. Directly we just need to put this in its way. It's true for now because it's now the boolean. Go there, and now you can see that it's working. Okay, go back, and I'm just making it false. Now not working, sorry. And why it's not working, sorry? Because here it's actually working perfectly. So as you can see, ng template is working. We'll just add the else block, and here we just can put anything like else working, something like working, and there this is just works like an ID. So else working, I just want to show you the possibilities which you just can do if you just want to work on it. Now you can see that it's still not working, sorry. That means the ng template else working is actually not working, or it's working, because we're just getting the text not working. So guys, in the next step we're just gonna work on the block, the then block. If you just know if, else if, and else, so the between, the middle block, the then block, the other choice, we're just going to talk about it. Then we'll be just completing the learn about the if also. Then we'll be just moving to the next step. Stay tuned, and as always, please subscribe to our channel. It will really help our channel grow. Leave a comment, and we'll meet in next lesson. Till then, goodbye.